While visiting Grok, imagine you might see an upgrade screen, but don't worry. We still have 7 free and unlimited AI video generators. First, visit chat.qwen.ai and log in. This website allows free and unlimited video generation. Click on Create Video, choose your aspect ratio, enter your prompt, and hit send. Within seconds, bingo, your free AI video is ready. If this tool stops working in the future, don't worry. Simply visit video.hunyuan.tencent.com. This is another free and unlimited AI video generator. Very few people know how to sign up and use it. When you open the website, you'll see the login page in Chinese. I've already translated it for you. Choose the email option, enter your email, and click to get OTP. If you see the error, security verification failed, please try again. Here's the fix. Go to Google and search for Urban VPN Proxy Chrome extension. Install it, pin the extension, and set location to China. Now go back to the Hunyuan website, refresh the page, enter your email again, and click Get OTP. If you see the green message, it means the OTP was sent successfully. For educational purposes only, please don't misuse this trick. Log in using the OTP, click Continue, and you will reach the dashboard where you can generate videos for free. The page is still in Chinese, but here's the translation. Option 1, text to video. Option 2, image to video. Option 3, lip sync. Option 4, motion drive. To generate text to video, select the first option, paste your prompt, click generate, and within minutes, your video is ready. For image to video, choose the second option, upload an image, add prompt, hit generate, and again, video ready in minutes. If you like this trick, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, the third free AI video generator, turn on Urban VPN again and set location to Hong Kong, then visit dubao.com. This is a 100% free AI video generator using Cdance 2.0 model. Translate the page to English, sign up, enter your prompt, hit send, and your AI video will be generated in seconds. For the fourth free AI video generator, visit wan.video. Click try, sign up, log in, upload image, paste prompt, click generate, and after a few minutes, your video is ready. To access the fifth tool, visit arena.ai. Sign up, log in, click generate video, enter prompt to hit send, and within seconds, it creates amazing AI videos for free. Look at the quality. It's insane. Now, the sixth free AI video generator, visit Vheer.com, log in, go to image to video, click generate video from image, upload image, enter prompt, and it will generate video for free. Now, the seventh unlimited free AI video generator, go to meta.ai, upload your image, paste prompt, click generate, and within seconds, free AI video ready. Now comes my favorite tool, the eighth one. Visit flow.google, sign up and log in. This tool gives 150 free AI credits daily. You can create videos using Veo 3.1 model for free. To use pro features, click upgrade. First month is free, and in India, Geo users can get up to 18 months free Gemini plus Flow Pro with eligible plan. And if you want to create amazing images using Nano Banana 2, then you must watch my 21 Nano Banana 2 use cases video. See you inside the tutorial.